Hi, back again with me Ganis. So in this video I'm gonna give you a tutorial how to install Windows 11 in your VirtualBox. Let's get to the tutorial. First, you need to open your VirtualBox and then make sure that you have the latest version of a VirtualBox on your computer. To make sure that you have the latest version of your VirtualBox, you need to check for the updates. You have to open File and then check for the updates. Wait for a few minutes to checking the updates. Once you have already done to update, and then this is the dialog that you have successfully updates your VirtualBox. So next, and then open your favorite browser, go on Google and then click or write download Windows 11. Download Windows 11 that appears on your computer, the first site, and then click that site. And after you open it, you will be able to see this download now button. Click download now and then start it to download the file, ISO file. Once you have already done downloading process, you have to go back to your VirtualBox and then click new. And then you have to change the name into a Windows 11, and here's the version will be able to change into a Windows 11 64-bit automatically. That's why I recommend you to update your VirtualBox before you start to install the Windows 11, because if you have the latest version of your VirtualBox, you will be able to see that the version will be changed into the Windows 11 automatically. Okay, after that you have to click next. In memory size, I'm gonna set it up to the end of the green level, and then I'm gonna click next. And a hard disk, I'm gonna leave it as default. Create a virtual hard disk now and click create. Hard disk file type, I'm gonna leave it as default, VDA, virtual box disk image, and click next. And then you will be able to see the storage on a physical hard disk settings. I'm gonna leave it as default, dynamically allocated. But if you want to know more about dynamically allocated, you can also read the description. And then click next. So this is the file location and size setting. You can also change the file location, but I'm gonna leave it as default. I'm gonna put it on my C local disk C, and I'm gonna use the size around 80 GBs. So after that, you have to click create. Once you already created, your virtual machine is already done, which is name is Windows 11, but you haven't provided the path of your ISO file. So all you need to do is just click on a setting menu on the upside of your computer, choose storage and click on empty, and then you will be able to see in the right side logo of the disk, and then you have to choose a disk file and choose the ISO file that you have already downloaded on your computer and click open. And after that, you have to click OK. Back to the VirtualBox and then click start to start the process, the installation process. So now you will be able to see the Windows 11 installation process has been started. So you will be able to change the language to install and a time and currency format, keyboard or input method. But I'm gonna change the time and currency format into an Indonesia because my region in Indonesia. And then click install now. And when you click install now, it's going to show you this kind of window where you can provide your valid license or product key if you have. But if you want to provide this product key after the installation process done, you can also choose I don't have a product key and click next. And here's the type of operating system that you want to use, but here's I'm going to choose Windows 11 Pro and then click next, and you will be able to see this warning and click I accept and then click next. And in this window you have to click custom install Windows only, and here I'm gonna leave it as default and click next. And now you have to wait for a few minutes until the installation process done. So after the installation process is done, you will be able to see this window. So you have to choose your region and click yes. And this is the keyboard layout. You can choose whatever you want. But I'm gonna use United Kingdom and then click yes. And if you want to add second keyboard layout, but I'm just gonna leave it and click skip. Wait for the update checking process and then write your device name. So I'm gonna use my name as my device name and click next. Wait for a moment, and after that you have to, would you like to set up this device? I'm gonna click set up for professional use, but if you want you can change that also. And you can also add your Microsoft account, but if you don't have it, you can also click the sign in option and click offline account and click skip for now. And then you have to input your name. My name is Ganis Aninatwa, so I'm gonna put it and click next and then set your password. Make sure that you have a strong password that is combined with alphabet and number or any other character. And you have to create a security question to make your system more secure. And after that you have to click next and then click accept and wait for the update checking and wait for a moment until the installation process done. And here's your Windows 11 is already installed in your VirtualBox. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna leave the link download of ISO file Windows 11 in a description box, and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.